Hey there, kids. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about everything to keep you healthy and happy. Today, we're diving into some super important tips to help you prevent respiratory infections. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Wash those hands. First things first, always remember to wash your hands regularly. Use soap and warm water, and scrub for at least 20 seconds. Sing your favorite song while you do it. Washing your hands helps get rid of germs that can make you sick. Tip 2. Cover your coughs and sneezes. When you need to cough or sneeze, don't forget to cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow. That way, you won't spread any germs to your friends or family. Tip 3. Wear your mask. Wearing a mask is like wearing a superhero cape. It helps protect you and those around you. If you're in crowded places or around someone who's sick, put on your mask to stay safe. Tip 4. Stay active and eat healthy. Keep your body strong by staying active and eating lots of fruits and veggies. Exercise and healthy foods help your immune system fight off germs and stay strong. Tip 5. Get plenty of sleep. Make sure you're getting enough sleep each night. Sleep helps your body recharge and stay healthy, so aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep every night. Tip 6. Stay away from sick people. If someone around you is sick, try to stay away from them until they're feeling better. Keeping your distance can help stop the spread of germs. Well, there you have it, kids, some awesome tips to help you stay healthy and prevent respiratory infections. Remember, taking care of yourself is super important, so keep these tips in mind every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.